Hey guys, this is a new video. I know I didn't do the video for a long time, but this is 2007 Toyota Prius. I'm doing the ABS module. It's back there. The ABS module is faulty, and if you do it, the safety is a priority. You need to disconnect the big battery, the hybrid battery. This is the one you need to disconnect it. It's located back there. You need to take these covers off and disconnect the small battery too, and then start working on it. You need to take the wiper, cover the both wiper motor, and this cover, take it out. This is a new one. Actually, it's not a new one, it's used. And then there's a 3-bolt. One is here, one is here, one is back there. To take the cover off, there's a airbag sensor. You need to take the, I recommend to remove the screw without removing the connector. This is the fuse box. It was attached to the wiper cover. And this is the coolant. Always replace this gasket, the O-ring. Get a new one and put it back. It goes right there. Show you, right there. It goes right there. When you remove it, there's a 3 line. Make sure there's no power. Take this 3 screw out. Remove this line, this 2 line out, and there's a couple connector back there. Remove it out, and you can remove access to the ABS module and then replace it. That's it. You need to pay attention when you remove this 2 connector from here. There's 2 screws. Remove it out, and there's a couple connection there. But for bleeding, you need to get the proper coolant for this. It's a hybrid inverter coolant, and you need to bleed the water pump with the scanner. You can't do it manually like other jobs when you car running. This is the what is that? Yeah, this is the inverter coolant. You need to pay attention to this. Remove this PCV valve. That's a coolant line. This is the coolant line. Remove this too. Remove this connector, this one, and this one too. Lift it up and bring it to the side like this. You have access to the ABS module. Recording. I put the new one already, but a couple of things you need to pay attention. This is the water pump. You need to take it out. There's a 2-volt right there and right there. This ABS line, don't try to bend it and force it when you remove it. When you install it, you need to hand tight this screw. Otherwise, if you force it and tight it, it may leak from there and they give you a hard time. You need to replace the line, and it's gonna be a big headache for you. And that's all. And the rest is just reverse and put it back. That's it. We fixed it and we're good. No ABS light, no brake light, nothing. Drive good. Brakes functioning good. The bleeding procedure is really important. You need to have a scanner. I have my snap on Veris. If you don't try to do that. Take it to the shop, dealership. They should be able to do